Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So as you guys can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be my go-to slash quick and easy makeup look for when I have to go somewhere but I don't have a lot of time to do like my full beats. So this is the look, okay? And if you guys want to see how to get it, please keep watching. Hey guys, so I'm starting this tutorial off with a bare face. Like I have totally no makeup on, no brows, no primer, nothing, okay? Because I wanted to start this from scratch because I never really do that. Most of the time when I do tutorials, I come with my brows and eyes primed already. But yeah, so we're gonna be starting from scratch today. So the first thing that I'm gonna be doing is priming my skin using my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I'm going to be using my ColourPop brow pencil, and this one is in the shade dark brown. Lately, I've been using just my pencil instead of using my pencil and then filling my brows in with like a brow powder. I've just been using the pencil and I really like the way it comes out. They just look really natural. They look really close to like my actual natural brows with no product in them, just a little bit more filled in. To conceal my eyebrows, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Concealer, and this one is in the shade medium deep. This is what it looks like. And to set that, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Natural Beige. So for a go-to look, normally all I do is use one eyeshadow because it's like my go-to quick makeup look. So today I'm going to be using my Amrezy and Anastasia palette, and I'm just going to be going in with the shade OG in my crease as well as on my lid. So I personally feel like a wing liner makes a makeup look feel like you really put in some effort, like, you know what I'm saying, even though you really didn't. It's just a wing liner. So that's why for my go-to makeup I use one shadow and I do a pretty semi-dramatic wing. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, of course in black. For mascara, of course, I'm going to use my go-to. This is the Maybelline, the Colossal Big Shot Mascara with Makeup Shayla. I'm just now noticing that I must be a really big Maybelline fan, but whatever. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my mascara to my top lashes to prep them for my falsies. So this next part of my go-to makeup look is pretty much my normal base routine. As far as makeup, I do my regular foundation, concealer. Sometimes I don't cream contour. Today I'm not gonna cream contour just so you guys can, you know, see the difference. Cream contour is when I have more time, and I powder contour when I don't have that much time. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I powder contour. So now I'm about to just do my foundation, concealer, and then we'll get into my powder contour. For concealer, I'm going to use the same Maybelline Better Skin Concealer in the shade Medium Deep. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using my Mercier translucent setting powder. So to contour my face, I'm going to be using my Morphe M332 brush and my MAC 109 brush. The M332 brush is for the nose and the other one is for the face. And the powder that I'm going to be using is the e.l.f. finishing powder in the shade Dark Deep. So to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Warm Sun, and my Morphe M554 brush. So quickly for blush, I'm just gonna do my Makeup Revolution blush, and this one is in the shade Nude, just because it's a more natural look, and since this is like a quick and simple look, it's not like a super glam look, so I like to go a little bit more on the softer side of makeup. To highlight my face just a tad bit, I'm going to be using my Anastasia and Nicole Guerriero highlight palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Glow Getter. So I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera, and now what I'm gonna do is take that same shade in the Amrezy and Anastasia palette and do my lower lash line and do some mascara, and then we're gonna get into the lip. My lip, I'm gonna go in with my Ruby Kisses lip liner, of course, in KOKO, my MAC lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy, and then to top that, I'm gonna use my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. And last but not least, guys, I'm going to spray my face with my Morphe setting spray. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also, all of the products that I used in this video will be down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.